Hi, welcome back with me SaleGenics. This time, I'll give you video about best 5 espresso coffee machine in 2021. Well, before go to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Alright, check this out. Number 1. Saeco Xelsis Super Automatic Espresso Machine.
How you start your day defines the rest of it, and the Saeco Xelsis knows how to start yours. The variety and easy customization of the Saeco Xelsis are perfect for a day filled with the same. Select from over 15 varieties of exquisitely crafted world-class coffee drinks, each customizable to your individual taste with the coffee equalizer. "15 exquisite coffee drinks, easily crafted to your taste."
Number 2. Brim 19 Bar Espresso Machine. Number 3. Breville BES 870 XL Barista Express Espresso Machine.
The third wave is the endless pursuit of delivering incredible tasting coffee, perfecting every part of the process from seed to cup. And it can't truly be experienced without the right machine. When these two elements meet, you get the ultimate taste experience. Now you too can experience third wave specialty coffee at home with Breville's 4 keys formula that replicates commercial machine performance. Taste the Breville difference today.
Number 4. Delonghi EC70215 Bar Pump Espresso Maker.
And replaced by inserting it back onto the steam wand. It is recommended that the steam wand be cleaned every 200 coffees, or approximately every 3 months.
Number 5. Mr. Coffee One-Touch CoffeeHouse Espresso Maker and Cappuccino Machine. Thanks for watching my video about Best 5 Espresso Coffee Machine in 2021. Well, see you in the next videos.